Alright, the condenser is back into place. There's a bolt there, there's the bolt there. I had to finesse it a little bit. As you can see, this mounting bracket is a little bit crooked. That's how it came from the factory, but you see those scratches on there. That was me pulling it out and making some adjustments. I still got to tighten this stuff down, but I had to finesse it a little bit and get one side in. This starting with this left side and then do this right side. This will be unnecessary if you got the condenser that has those plastic parts on it that is exact OEM. This piece came from Amazon. This was roughly $80 without tax, and it's the cheapest one I could find. But anyways, so here it is. And then this bottom line, when I was putting this bolt in, it wanted to bottom out pretty early, so I'm not certain that that's as tight as it needs to be. I may have to pull it out and then go get a shorter bolt. I don't know if that's going to be a problem. I probably shouldn't have mentioned it, but it's useful information if you get one like this and you have the similar issues. So what I'm going to do is hook my vacuum pump up to it now and start drawing a vacuum and make sure that it's tight before I start putting everything back together. So right now I'm going to get the vacuum pump, hook it up, and once it's I'm sure there's a nice vacuum, then I'll put these last few pieces on here. Welcome to my neighborhood. Alright, so next video I'll follow up here what I do next.